𝗀𝗏 makes crypto feel simple. Just log in, say what you want to do, and it handles the rest. Let's hear from the developers what 𝗀𝗏 is.
𝗀𝗏 is the protocol for discovery, settlement, and dispute resolutions in between users and AI agents.
The way it works is, intent is this approach where an agent or human can effectively identify what the outcome they want to achieve. I want to run a marketing campaign. I want to get this much Bitcoin for USDC. I want to get this much dollars in this bank account.
Cross-chain swaps, enabling users to go from chain A, maybe Solana, to chain B, say Ethereum or Bitcoin. And then stablecoins as well. An intent can be a user wanting to accomplish any action either on-chain or off-chain.
It's not just trading like digital asset where it's trading like something else. I want to buy a MacBook and the solver's going to give you a code on what the prices are. And so then you have a network of so-called solvers effectively responding to this. And again, these responders can be professional market makers. This can be other AI agents running in secure enclaves on your AI, or this can be other participants, right? Services, providers, etc., who are actually satisfying this intent.
What we are doing with 𝗀𝗏 is literally a decentralized backend for centralized exchanges. And the greatest thing here is that this backend becomes a shared commodity for everyone who is willing to integrate with it.
And so we're going to see intents being facilitated by agents, where users might want to buy something on Amazon or buy some really complex traditional financial product. And all of this will be able to be facilitated in a private and verifiable way through some agent.
This AI plus intents framework, when it actually comes together, not just on digital asset, but actually expand that into more things like reward assets, daily commerce stuff. I think that's where it will show its true power.
The goal is really unite the blockchains from a user experience perspective, make them feel like one chain. Users should think in terms of assets, not chains.
𝗀𝗏 as the protocol that would allow AI agents to connect and cooperate together, as this is the internet for AI agents.
Blockchain interactions don't have to be stressful. 𝗀𝗏 fixes that. Now that you understand the basics, let's get into the full walkthrough. To begin, visit the 𝗀𝗏 platform and click Sign in with Passkey. If it's your first time, you'll be asked to create and save your passkey just like a password. Keep it safe, maybe in your Google account or offhand. It can be as simple as 6 letters. You can also use a browser wallet, but I'm using a passkey because it's easy, secure, and doesn't require any extensions. Accounts is where you deposit, withdraw, or send gifts. Trade is for swaps and OTC trades. To start any action, you'll need to deposit the token you want to use. Click on Accounts, then Deposit. You'll see 2 options, one for deposits from exchanges and one for self-custodial wallets. But I'll be sending SOL from my Phantom wallet. Since I'm sending from a self-custodial wallet, I'll choose that option and copy the deposit address. Once your SOL arrives, go to the Trade tab. In the top field, choose the token you have, in this case, SOL. In the bottom field, select the token you want. I will be choosing Bearer. The swap will be processed automatically without needing any wallet approvals. Now let's walk through how OTC trading works on 𝗀𝗏. OTC, or over-the-counter trading, is a way to swap crypto directly with another person. No exchange, no order book, just one link between 2 wallets. To get started, go to the Trade tab and click OTC. At the top, pick the token you want to send. I'll use 𝗀𝗏. Then select the token you want to receive. like USDC. Enter the amount and click Create Swap Link. You can set how long the link should last, from 5 minutes to a full year. Once the link is ready, share it with the other person. When they open it, they'll sign in using either a wallet or a passkey, review the trade, and confirm. Simple, secure, and completely peer-to-peer, powered by 𝗫𝗫𝗏. Go to Accounts, tap Withdraw, and pick the right token on the right chain. I've got 𝗏𝗏, so I'll choose 𝗏𝗏 on the 𝗏𝗏 chain. Always make sure you're picking the right chain before sending. I'll paste my EVM wallet address from Rabbi. It's a self-custodial one. Click on the Withdrawal button. Don't use exchange addresses. It won't go through. To send a token as a gift, go to Accounts and tap Gift. You choose the token, enter the amount, and you can write a note if you want. That part's optional. I have 𝗏𝗏, so I'll be sending that. Once I'm done, I click Gift Link to generate the link. That link can be shared with anyone, and they can claim the gift even if they don't have a wallet yet. If someone sends you a gift link, just click it. You'll be asked to sign in. You can use a passkey. Once signed in, tap Claim Gift, and the token will appear in your account. If you'd like to swap the token you were gifted, head back to the Trade tab and repeat the same swap steps. Let's compare the old way and the near way. On the left, we have the legacy UX, like what you'd experience on Relay Bridge via MetaMask. You have to connect multiple wallets, the transactions take time, and in the end, it often fails. On the right, that's 𝗫𝗫𝗏. I just enter what I want, like swapping 10 Ethereum to 𝗏𝗏 and hit Confirm. That's it. One clean step, no pop-ups, no gas confusion. One intent, one result. Confirmed. 𝗫𝗫𝗏 isn't just a concept, it's already being used in real projects. Let's start with kyberswap. Let's see it in action. When you open the site, you'll be asked to connect your wallet and select a chain. They support multiple networks, not just EVM, and that's thanks to 𝗫𝗫𝗏. You can connect to Solana, Bitcoin, Near and more, all from one interface. I'll go ahead and connect my Near wallet. I'm using Meteor wallet, which I personally recommend. Once connected, I'll select the token I have on Near. That could be Ethereum, USDC, or wrapped Bitcoin, whatever I've already deposited. In this case, I'm swapping USDC on Near to 𝗏𝗏 on 𝗏𝗏 chain. Kyberswap will ask where to send the 𝗏𝗏. You can either connect your EVM wallet or paste the wallet address directly. I'll paste my 𝗫𝗫𝗏's 𝗏𝗏 deposit address, since that's where I want to receive the token. Then I hit swap, and 𝗫𝗫𝗏 takes care of everything. Kyberswap uses 𝗫𝗫𝗏 for smooth cross-chain swaps, and they even built a solver that figures out the best way to execute your trade behind the scenes, making it efficient, secure, and easy. No bridging, no complicated steps, just one smooth click, and it's done. Let's look at how Infinex uses near-intents to unlock real on-chain access to assets like Bitcoin, XRP, Doge, and more. Here's where near-intents comes in. The ability to swap SOL into Bitcoin on Nair and even withdraw it to a native Bitcoin address. That's not something Infinex handles alone. It's possible because near-intents takes your request and works out the steps behind the scenes to make it happen. With near-intents, you don't need to figure out the steps. Just tell it what you want to do, all in one smooth flow. It's already live on apps like kyberswap and Infinex, and there's more coming. If you're tired of pop-ups, bridges, and stress, near-intents is what you've been waiting for. Check it out at app.nearintents.org.